that the weight loss process is extremely hard and difficult process, right? We can easily say that the most important reason for that is because we all love food. Today's video discusses how to make ginger wrap to burn belly fat overnight. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. And the real and the ugly truth is that you have probably tried different diet plans, gym, running, etc. But you already know that you can't do anything if you don't eat healthy, drink plenty of water. Fortunately, we are going to show you a simple trick that includes ginger wrap, and it will help you speed up the weight loss process and lose weight much faster, especially that stubborn fat tissues around the abdominal area. But don't worry, because we are going to help you. Yes, today is your lucky day, because in this video we are going to show you how to make this amazing ginger wrap, which will help you get rid of that stubborn abdominal fat overnight. This homemade method is very simple. You just have to follow the simple instruction. Note: the fat around the abdominal area is the hardest part to burn, and that, my friend, is a fact. You have to exercise every day, eat healthy, drink plenty of water, sleep, of course. Try this simple but extremely effective trick. As we said, this ginger compress method is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instruction. You will need the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon freshly grated ginger or ginger powder, 4 to 5 tablespoons body lotion, elastic wrap, towel and elastic bandage. Directions: Number 1. You need to soak a towel in warm water and wrap it around the area where you want to apply the ginger compress. Number 2. Then leave it on for 5 minutes. It will open out the pores. Number 3. Then you need to mix the ginger with the body lotion and apply it on the affected area. Number 4. After that, you need to use a plastic wrap to wrap the area a few times. Number 5. And finally, you need to place the elastic bandage over the plastic wrap. Number 6. Leave the compress on for at least 6 hours. If you want to get the best result out of this treatment, you should apply it before you go to sleep and remove it when you wake up in the morning. And you should not be worried if you are experiencing tingling at the beginning. It means that this method is working. You will be amazed by the results. This simple but effective method will help you get rid of stubborn belly fat. This means that you should definitely try this simple trick. It's cheap, easy to make and extremely effective. Have you ever tried this method to burn belly fat? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.